Hello, Ngok. Good
Hello.
evening, good evening, good evening, and welcome. Welcome again to our class. Good evening. Can you hear teacher?
Okay.
You can hear me? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, so good job. So now, before we start our lesson, so how are you today, Ngok? How
I'm
are
good. I'm good.
Are you sure that you are good?
Yes.
Okay, that's very good. Now, did you already eat your dinner? Did you already eat your dinner? Yes,
Okay.
it's a
Yes.
oh yes, I did. Okay, let's say yes, I did.
Yes, I did.
Okay, very good. Okay, so what did you eat for dinner?
I ate from uh a rice
Rice,
and uh 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 uh
rice
uh
and
egg.
rice and egg. Rice and egg. Oh, is it sunny side up or omelette?
Mm,
This one.
mm,
Let me show you. Sunny side up, egg or omelette. Okay, this one. Is it this egg? Sunny side up? Sunny side up or omelette?
uh egg egg or this is
This one?
yes,
Oh,
yeah,
we call it
yeah,
as omelette.
um
Omelette.
omelet.
Yes, this one is omelette. Wow, that's so nice. That is also my food today. So, an omelette. Okay, so now for this lesson, Ngok, we will have a new lesson for today. So, are you ready for our new lesson?
um um
Um, are you ready for our new lesson? Yes or no?
yes.
Yes. Okay, yes. So, let's say, yes, I'm ready.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so for our new lesson for today, Ngok, so we will have Unit 6, Lesson 1. So can you read what is the title of our lesson?
No.
You can read. So let's say, look at us. Look at us.
Look at
Okay, very good. So this will be our new lesson for today. So about us, about
yeah,
about
yeah.
people. So now let's proceed and learn some new words. Okay. So let's proceed to our first word. What do we call this? What
um
is this?
this is
Starts with letter B.
p p p p p p p p bow
What is it?
p
It's
p p p p p p
what is that? We call it
p
as our
p
body. This is our body. Okay, again,
um,
Ngok. What is this?
body
Okay, let's say, this is,
body body
okay, let's say it in complete sentence. This is,
body this is body
okay,
body
very good. Do you have a body, Ngok?
yes I
Okay,
can
very good.
have a body
Okay, yes, I
yeah
have. Yes, I have. Very good. So next, how about this one?
A mouse.
Mouth.
Mouse.
Very good. Do you have a mouth?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Yeah. Okay. So next, how about this one?
This is pig.
Okay, very good. This is
This
our foot,
is
feet. So if we only have one, we say foot.
foot.
If we have two or more, we say feet. Okay.
Feet.
How many foot
Feet.
do you have? How many foot or feet do you have?
One.
Only
I have
one?
a no. I have a feet. I have a
Yes, you have a feet. So we can say, I have two what?
feet. I
Okay.
have
Okay. Very good. So next, oh, what is this?
this is ear.
Ear. Very good. This is an
Up.
ear. Do you have an ear?
Yes.
Yes,
This
I have. How
this
many?
is
How many
only
ears do you have?
only two. Only two.
Okay. Okay, let's say I have
I have two ear
ear, ear or ears.
ears.
Okay, very good. So since we are talking
No.
about since we are talking about two, so don't forget to put or add s to make it plural. So I have two ears. Next, what is that?
This is
What is that? Hmm.
this is uh third. This is
What is
wait
this? What do we call this?
uh wait wait wait.
What is
This is
that?
this
Okay, this one is arm. We call it as arm. Okay, this
uh,
is arm. How many arm do you have?
two
Okay, let's say I have.
two
Okay, two arm or two arms.
two arms.
Okay, very good. So two arms. So next, hmm, what are these?
This is uh 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 I
What is
I
this?
eyes.
Eyes. Very good. These are eye or eyes. Do you have eye or do you have eyes?
Eyes.
Do you have? How many eyes do you have?
Two eyes.
Very good. Okay, very good. Next. So I have two eyes. So next. Oh, what is this?
Is this is face.
Okay, very good. It's face. Do you have a face?
Yes.
Okay, yes, very good. So yes, this is face. So how many face do you have?
Only one face.
Okay, I only have one face. Very good. Oh, next. What is that?
This is oh 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 oh
This
um
is
um
hmm. What is this?
this is
Okay, give up. Give up now. Give up. Okay, let's check. This is what we call as leg. This one. We call this leg. Okay, again, Ngok, what is this? This. This is. What is this?
a leg.
Leg. Very good. So, do you have a leg or do you have legs?
I have a leg
I have legs. Very good. How many legs do you have?
and only two leg
Okay, so I have
and
two leg or two legs.
two leg.
Legs with S with S or without S? With S?
Um,
With
F.
okay, so I have two legs. So make sure, don't forget if we are talking about two or more things, we should add S at the end. Legs, arms, two legs, two eyes, two ears. Okay.
E.
Okay, next. Huh? What is this?
O. Is R.
What is that? Okay, this is. What is this?
Toe.
Mm,
A
the
toe.
tail. One more time. Let's say tail.
O. Toe. Tail.
Tail. Do you have a tail?
I don't.
Yeah.
I
No. Very good. No, I don't. W- What
snake.
are what
Snake.
an what animals? What animals do what animals? What are those animals that has tail?
Two. Uh. 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 Uh.
What are the what are the animals that you know? What
On snake.
are
On snake.
hmm?
Snake.
The snakes has tail?
A snake.
Okay, very good. So yes, snakes have tail. How about the other animals? What what other animals do you know that has tail or that have tail? What other animals? Does
Wow.
cat do
You
cat
will
do cats have tail?
tell to
Cats.
uh,
Do cats have tail?
I don't.
Huh?
Oh my gosh.
Do cats have tail? Yes or no?
Uh, I don't know.
No? Are you sure?
No. Yes. Only yes.
Yes, cats have tail. They have a tail. Okay, so next, let's move on to our next body part. What is this?
Uh, 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 um, uh,
What do we call this?
um,
What is this?
um,
What is this?
Our hair.
Hair. Very good. This is hair. Very good. What
Hair.
color? What color is your hair?
Only black hair.
Okay, very good. I have black
Black.
hair.
Black hair.
Okay. How about teacher? What color is teacher's hair?
A brown. A brown.
Okay, very good. Is it brown? Yeah, it's brown now. Okay, so this is hair. Very good. Okay, how about this one?
This is a wash your hair.
Wash your hand. Yes, so this is what body part? It's
Is hand.
okay, very good. It's hand. How many hands do you have?
Uh, two.
Very good.
Two.
I have,
Two hands.
okay, very, I have two hands. Do you wash your hands?
Yes. Wash
Okay,
your hands. Wash your
very good. That's good to know that you wash your hands. Next, let's move on to our next body part.
hands.
What is this?
This is a nose.
Okay, this is nose. Can you point? Where is your nose?
Uh, nose.
Where is your nose? Can you point? Where is your nose? Can you tell teacher where is your nose? How many nose do you have?
One.
One. Very good. So I have one. How many? I have.
I have a one nose.
Okay, very good. I have one nose. Oh, how about this one? Oh,
Uh,
this
this
is
head.
head. Very good. This is what we call head. Where is your head?
Uh, 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 uh,
Where is your head? Can you point? Where is your head? Okay, very good. This is my head. Very good. Oh, okay. Let's play a game.
Yucky.
Okay. What game is this? Oh, can you can you choose money? What do you want? 5, 10, 15, 20.
Six. Or the six.
Huh? Number 6.
One.
60. One more time. Let's say 60. $60.
$16.
Okay.
Dollar.
Dollars. Let's say dollars, not dollars.
Dollar. Dollar.
Dollars.
Dollar.
Not dollar. Dollars.
Dollar.
Dollars.
Dollar.
Okay. Okay,
Dollar.
$60. Question number 12. What what is this?
This is the toe.
Huh? So one more time. Let's say tail.
Tail.
Tail. Tail.
Tail. Tail.
Okay, very
Tail.
good.
Tail. Tail.
Tail, tail, tail. Okay,
Tail.
next. Choose another number. Choose another number. Choose another number. Or choose another dollar. $5, $10. $20. Okay.
20.
Oh, what is this?
Here.
This is
Here.
practice yourself answering in full sentence. Let's say, can you read this
Here.
one? This.
Here.
Don't say only hair. Let's say this is hair. This is hair.
This is here.
Okay, very good. Next. Okay, very good. Next, choose another number. Number.
Number 13.
Okay, 13. Huh? $13 or 30? 30.
30.
30. Okay. Okay, what is this?
This is a nose.
Nose. Very good. This is nose. Very good. Next. Next. What number is the next? And
Only $5.
$5. Okay, what is this?
A nose.
This is
Nose. This
okay.
is a
Okay.
nose.
Is it nose?
Nose.
Are you sure?
Yes.
No, it's not nose.
Uh,
What is this?
nose. Only nose. Oh no, no. Ear. Ear. Ear.
Very
Ear.
good.
Ear. Ear.
This is ear, not nose. Okay, next.
Hand.
Ten
Hand.
dollars. $10. What are these?
This is eyes.
Eyes. Very good. These are eyes. Okay. So for this one, when we are describing two or more things, we should not use this is. We use this are eyes. Okay? So let's say these are
Okay.
eyes, not this is eyes. Okay.
This is
Let's say these are eyes.
these are eyes.
Okay, not is. We should not use is because
Is
because is talks about one thing. Since we have two eyes here, we use are. These are
are
eyes.
these are eyes.
Okay, very good, Ngok. Good job. Okay, so next, choose another number. Number.
For
40. This one.
yeah, 40.
Okay, what is this?
Mouse. Mouse.
This.
Oh.
This
This
is.
is mouse.
Okay,
Oh.
very good. Very
Oh.
good. Very good.
Oh. Oh.
Okay,
Oh.
next. Next number. Number.
This is
This is. This one. Okay. Oh, there is an answer. There's an answer already. Oh, choose another number again. Choose another number.
uh this is
Okay, this is. Okay. What is this?
this
Or
these are feet.
very good. So what are these? These are feet. Wow, good job. Next number.
Number one.
One? Huh? Where is
Uh,
one? It's
this is
15.
This is
15. 15. Okay, what is this?
a face.
Very good. Next, oh, we only have 3.
Oh,
What number? Choose another number.
this is
This. Okay, what is this?
a head.
Okay, this is.
Head.
Okay. Okay, next. Oh, we only have 2. 2, 2,
This
2. Okay, this. What is this? Or
is
what are
hand.
these?
These are hands.
Okay. Hands. Very good.
Mm,
And for the last one, what are these?
This is a leg.
The leg. How about if we have 2? These are
These are legs.
legs. Okay, very good. So good job. Okay, so let's move on and proceed to our next page. Oh, okay. So now let's practice the words that we had learned
Oh,
today. Okay, let's go to, excuse me, excuse me. So let's go to this one up. What do we call this? Number 1, what is this?
uh, this is
Number 1 is
hands.
head. Very good. How about number 2? What is number 2? So
E
can you write your answer? Number
number
2. This is number 2.
white.
Oh, why is it in white? Change the color, change the color.
Only I
Excuse.
eyes.
Okay, very good. So I with S because we have 2. How about for number 3? This is number 3. What
Uh,
what is number 3?
ear. Only ear.
Okay. Can you spell? Can you write the missing letters in this?
Ear.
Okay,
Ear.
very good. How about number
Ear.
4?
Ear. Ear.
N-
Ear.
what is number 4?
Number 4. Hmm.
Number
Number
What is number 4?
Kaka. Number 4.
Gugukag. This one.
A mouse.
Okay, can you write the missing letters? Okay, very good. How about number 5? What is this?
Oh. Mm.
Number 5, number 5. What is this? This is
Arm.
arm. Very good. This is arm. Next,
Body.
but
Body.
very good. Body. How about this?
Toe.
Okay, one more time. Let's say tail, not toe.
Tail.
Tail, 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 tail. This one.
Tail. Tail.
Okay, very good. Next. How about this?
Feet.
What is this? Feet or foot?
Feet. Feet.
No, no.
Feet.
Feet or foot?
Feet.
Where is the arrow?
Feet.
We only have one.
Oh. Uh,
Yeah. The
only
ar
two.
the arrow is pointing in only one. So foot, this one is foot. Okay. So for this one, Ngok, I think it's already the end of our time. So we will continue this lesson next time, okay?
Yeah. Mm.
Okay. So we'll continue this activity next time, okay? Teacher has a next class. So goodbye, Ngok. See you again soon.
Me too.
Bye-bye.
Bye.